In this video, I will show you how to use a velocity envelope. So we want to speed up and slow down parts of this video. To do this, right-click on the video and choose Insert Remove Envelope, then click Velocity. Now you have a green bar that you can move up and down to increase or decrease the velocity. Let's raise it to 210%. Looks like this. Now let's go down to 60%. To change the speed of only a part, not the whole video, select only that part and move the bar. Looks like this. You can freely add points to change velocity. Right-click and choose Add Point. Now right-click on that point. Here you can choose all kinds of velocities. 300% is the maximum that Vegas 17 goes. For newer versions of Vegas, it goes up to 1000%. Zero velocity means simply freezing or stopping the video. Minus 100% and other minus values mean reversing the video. You can also set a specific velocity by clicking Set To. Let's speed this up 3 times. You can see how this curve goes from 60 to 180. You can make the transition faster or slower by moving the point closer or farther away from the previous one. To make sure it does not jump up or down, keep the Alt key pressed. This way, it will only move left or right. You can change the velocity roughly by simply dragging it up or down, or by increments of 1 by holding down the Control key. If you don't want any curve of transition, but rather jump directly from one velocity to the other, you can do it by right-clicking on the point and changing the type of the point to hold. It will look like this. Just right away. You can remove all the points by clicking Reset All. If you want Vegas to add points for you, go to Envelope Edit tool. Now hold Shift and draw a curve. Vegas will add the necessary points. This is very handy for playing around with volume on audio tracks.